Unlocking $10,000 a month with Google AI? Your journey starts now. You ever scroll through your feed and see people crushing it online, building businesses, making crazy money, and you're thinking, what's their secret sauce? How are they doing it? I'm here to tell you, it's not magic. It's about leveraging the tools at your fingertips. And right now, one of the most powerful tools is AI. Today, we're diving deep into Google AI's Notebook LM, and I'm showing you how to use this game-changing tool to build a $10,000 per month income stream. Whether you're a tech wizard or you're just figuring this whole online thing out, this video is your roadmap. So, buckle up, get ready to take some notes, and let's unlock your earning potential together. Look, I'm going to level with you. The online world is changing faster than ever before. New tech, new platforms, it can feel like a whirlwind. But here's the thing, you don't need to be an expert in everything. You just need to know how to use the right tools. And that's where Notebook LM comes in. Think of Notebook LM as your AI-powered sidekick. It's like having a super smart assistant who can access all your documents, understand your work style, and help you get things done faster and smarter. Imagine having ChatGPT, but it's personalized to you, trained on your data, and integrated seamlessly with your workflow. That's the power of Notebook LM. And the best part? Getting started is as easy as hitting a like button on a fire TikTok. Seriously, head over to Google AI, sign up for Notebook LM, and boom, you're in. No hidden fees, no complicated setup. Just pure AI power at your fingertips. Alright, so you've got the tool, now let's talk about putting it to work. The key to making serious bank online is finding your niche. What are you passionate about? What gets you fired up? What problems can you solve better than anyone else? This is about finding the sweet spot where your skills, your interests, and the market's needs intersect. It's about identifying a hungry audience that's willing to pay for what you offer. Let's say you're a fitness junkie who loves creating killer workout routines. Boom, there's your niche. Use Notebook LM to research the latest fitness trends, generate personalized workout plans, and even create engaging content for your social media. Or maybe you're a coding whiz who can build websites in your sleep. Fantastic. Notebook LM can help you automate repetitive coding tasks, generate code snippets, and even debug your code faster. The point is, whatever your passion, whatever your skill set, there's a way to monetize it online. And Notebook LM can help you get there faster and more efficiently. It's about working smarter, not harder, remember? Inject your personality, your story, your unique perspective into everything you do. Don't be afraid to be different, to be bold, to be you. That's what's going to make you stand out in a crowded marketplace. Okay, we're cooking with gas now. You've got your AI sidekick, you found your niche, now it's time to build the money-making machine. And by that, I mean creating repeatable, scalable workflows that bring in the dough. This is where Notebook LM goes from being a cool tool to a total game changer. Let's say you're crushing it as a content creator. You're pumping out blog posts, social media updates, maybe even dabbling in video scripts. But it's a grind, right? Constantly coming up with fresh ideas, researching topics, battling writer's block. But hold on. Before you launch your MacBook into orbit, let me tell you how Notebook LM can automate this whole process. Feed it your existing content, your notes, your ideas, and watch it work its magic. Notebook LM can help you generate killer content ideas, research and summarize information lightning fast, and create high-quality content in a fraction of the time. And the best part? The more you use Notebook LM, the smarter it gets. It learns your writing style, your preferences, and your audience, so it can generate content that's perfectly tailored to your needs. But it's not just about content creation. Notebook LM can automate workflows for pretty much any online business. The possibilities are literally endless. Now let's talk about leveling up your income game. Because let's be real, who doesn't want to get paid premium rates for their expertise? Imagine transforming your knowledge into a high-ticket consulting service that businesses are eager to invest in. And right now, one of the hottest skills you can have is understanding and implementing AI. This isn't just a trend, it's a revolution that's reshaping industries across the globe. That's right, you can become the AI whisperer, the go-to expert that businesses are throwing money at to help them navigate this new world. Companies are desperate for guidance, and you can be the one to provide it. And guess what? You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to do it. With the right tools and dedication, you can quickly become proficient in AI. You just need to master Notebook LM and package your knowledge into high-value consulting services. This tool can be your secret weapon, enabling you to deliver exceptional results. Think about it. Businesses everywhere are scrambling to figure out how to leverage AI. They are looking for someone who can simplify the complexity and provide clear, actionable strategies. They know it's the future, but they're overwhelmed, confused, and frankly, a little scared. The rapid pace of technological change can be daunting. They need someone to come in, demystify the technology, and show them how to actually use it to improve their bottom line. Your role is to make AI accessible and beneficial. That's where you come in. You can be the bridge between complex AI concepts and practical business applications. You're not just offering a service, you're providing a solution that can transform their operations and drive significant growth. You're taking the complexity out of AI and making it accessible, understandable, and actionable. Your expertise can turn confusion into clarity. You're showing businesses how to use Notebook LM to automate their marketing efforts, streamline their operations, and gain a competitive edge. This is about creating real, tangible value. This is high-level stuff, my friends, and you can charge accordingly. Your expertise is worth a premium and businesses are willing to pay for it. We're talking 4-figure, even 5-figure consulting packages because you're not just saving them time and money, you're transforming their entire business. The ROI on your services can be substantial. Remember, in the world of AI, knowledge is power. The more you know, the more valuable you become. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. All right, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, passive income. That's right, the kind of money that rolls in while you sleep, sip margaritas on the beach, or, just live your best life. Imagine waking up to find your bank account has grown overnight, all while you were dreaming away. And guess what? Notebook LM can help you make it happen. This powerful tool is designed to streamline your workflow and maximize your productivity. We're talking about productizing your skills, packaging your knowledge into digital products that people can buy and download instantly. Think ebooks, online courses, templates, the possibilities are endless. You can even create digital templates for business plans, marketing strategies, or any other area where you have expertise. And the beauty of it is, once you create the product, it can generate income for months, even years to come. It's like planting a tree that keeps bearing fruit season after season. Now you might be thinking, Gary, I'm not an expert in anything. What could I possibly create a product about? Wrong! Everyone has valuable knowledge to share. Think about your skills, your passions, the things people always ask you for help with. Maybe you're great at organizing events, or perhaps you have a knack for graphic design. Those are all potential product ideas just waiting to be unleashed. The key is to identify what you know that others might find valuable. Let's say you're a master at using Notebook LM to generate killer content ideas. Create an ebook or online course teaching others how to do the same. Share your secrets and help others achieve success. Or maybe you've developed a system for using Notebook LM to automate your entire marketing workflow. Package that system into a step-by-step guide or template that other businesses can implement. This can save them time and effort, making your product highly valuable. And here's where Notebook LM really shines. It can help you create high-quality products in a fraction of the time. With its advanced features, you can focus on what you do best while it handles the heavy lifting. All right, entrepreneurs, it's time to talk about scaling your empire. Whether you're just starting out or already have a thriving business, the goal is to create a system that works for you, not the other way around. We've covered a lot of ground, from finding your niche to building workflows, to creating passive income streams. Each of these steps is crucial in laying the foundation for a business that can operate independently. Now it's time to put it all together and create a business that practically runs itself. Imagine having the freedom to focus on innovation and growth while your business handles the day-to-day operations seamlessly. Because here's the thing, you can't just hustle 24/7. Burnout is real, and it's not sustainable in the long run. You need a system that supports you. You need to build a sustainable business that allows you to work smarter, not harder. This means leveraging technology and tools that can take over repetitive tasks. And that means automating as much as possible so you can focus on the big picture. Automation isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer for modern businesses. Remember Notebook LM, your trusty AI sidekick? It's more than just a tool, it's an integral part of your business strategy. Well, it's time to unleash its full potential and turn your business into a well-oiled, automated machine. Delegate, delegate, delegate. Don't be afraid to let go of control. Identify the tasks that are eating up your time and see if you can automate them with Notebook LM. Build systems and processes that are robust and reliable. Document your workflows, create standard operating procedures, and make sure everything is running smoothly, even when you're not there to oversee it. Outsource strategically. Don't just hire for the sake of hiring. As your business grows, don't be afraid to bring on help. The right team can make all the difference in scaling efficiently. Virtual assistants, freelancers, and even agencies can take on tasks that are outside your zone of genius, freeing you up to focus on what you do best. This is how you build a resilient business. Scaling doesn't always mean growing bigger. Sometimes it means refining your focus. It can also mean going deeper, niching down further, and becoming the go-to expert in a very specific area. This specialization can set you apart from the competition. This allows you to command premium prices, attract high-quality clients, and build a business that's both profitable and fulfilling. The ultimate goal is to create a business that not only survives, but thrives, giving you the freedom to live the life you desire. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Building a successful online business takes work, but it doesn't have to be a grind. With the right tools and the right mindset, you can achieve incredible things. AI is not the future, it's the now. And Notebook LM is your key to unlocking its full potential. So what are you waiting for? Take action today, let's grow together.